How are you? Richie Powell with Dent Group of VA here. We do automotive paintless dent removal. Over 20 years in the business. This is our full service retail shop, standalone shop. We do full service paintless dent removal, hail damage repair here. Basic paintless dent removal, remove door dings and such, small buffing, small scratches, minor stuff, but no painting, no bondo involved. Hail damage repair, any molding replacement we do here as well. So we help you with all the insurance process through the hail damage repair. Come on in and check out for yourself. Here, very comfortable. Here we want to make you feel like family. It's a family-owned business. Me, my son, my wife, and my 2 little girls. So when you come into our shop, we want to make you feel like family. We want you to be comfortable, couches, snacks. You just help yourself here. If there's anything we can do for you, just let us know. Let me take you back in the shop and show you a little bit of what we do. So this is the shop here. We've got one guy here finishing up a hail repair. I think he's down to his last dent on the hood. Another gentleman over here doing a glue pull on a door. Another guy here working on the bedside of a truck. Another guy here doing a little small dent on the hood for you. But let me walk around and introduce these guys to you. Tim?
How you doing?
Tim Hayes, longtime friend, has been with me, what, 12 years now, maybe? 12 years now. We were both currently working for another company and started this company in January 2nd of this year. Tim is one of our lead techs as well as the lot division manager. A lot of our work is done here at the shop, but most of our work is done out at the dealerships and body shops. So Tim overlooks all the dealerships as well as the guys that are out there working with him. If something out on the dealership or body shop is too extensive for us to repair there, we bring the vehicles back here to the shop. So the shop is very, very conveniently located for the dealerships and body shops as well as for retail customers. Thanks, Tim. Introduce you to Gene Wilson. 26 years in the business. Known Gene for 20 years since I've been doing this type of work. Gene is our shop manager, helps overlook all the operations here at the shop. Hail damage estimating, the customer relations, whatever basically needs to be done, as well as pushes dent. So he's a great asset to the company. He's over here working on this truck right here. The dent is in a body line, okay, which is very difficult sometimes to remove. Access for us is key. So there is access underneath, but not a lot of leverage. So we also use what's called a glue pulling method. Put hot glue on a tag. We will put it right on the exterior of the vehicle, right on that body line, and we pull. It'll actually pull the metal a little high, and then we do a process called tapping. We just tap it down to blend it back to the original surface. So we use the stainless steel rods. We also use a glue pulling method as well. Let me introduce you to Jesse over here. Jesse Hudson, longtime friend of mine. Been trying to recruit this guy for over 10 years now to get into this business, and he finally made the move this year, and I couldn't be more happier. I'm hoping he's the same. Just got out of training, but Jesse by far, out of everybody I've trained over the years, has picked it up the quickest that I've seen, including myself. So very great tech. He's going to be very successful at this job. Already I've got him glue pulling on a Mercedes here. The damage is down low in the door, right near a body line. Very difficult area to access with the tool on this type of vehicle. Unless you do the R&Is and these are on the door panel. But we're going to go with the glue pulling process first. So that's what he's doing on this repair here. Okay, let me introduce you to Drew Powell, who's actually my son. Drew just turned 19. He's obviously been in this business, around this business, since he was born, because I've been doing this for 20 plus years. So Drew just graduated last year, and instead of going to college, decided to stay here and run the business with me. So Drew helps out on the business side as well as a tech, and Drew picked it up very quick as well. I've got pictures of Drew 10, 11, 12 years old out on the lots with me, helping me do repairs. And it's funny, when he was probably 10, he actually set up my first YouTube channel when really nobody knew much about it, especially me. So his generation, they're good at that, so he helps me out on that side as well. Drew's working on a Dent right here on the hood. This is actually a dealership vehicle, so tough location, being close to the hood here, so he's doing a glue pulling process as well. Double metal under here, tough access with the tool. So he's doing the glue pulling process. He will pull it up the best he can, and then gain access with the tool to finish the dent up. Thanks, Drew. So this is our shop, standalone shop, climate control. So when your vehicle's in here, it's in good hands. We lock the vehicles up at night inside, nothing sits outside. And one of my sayings is, return it better than you received it. So when your vehicle comes in damaged and you take delivery of your vehicle, it is in better condition than when you dropped it off. Hail cars, a lot of our retail trending cars we put for customers, we always try to go the extra mile from the beginning to the end of the process. And what I really strive here is an experience, not just the dent removal. There's a lot of dent companies out there. There's a lot of guys doing dents at this point. But what we try to do here is an overall experience. Take an unfortunate situation and turn it into a 5-star experience. Because reality is, your vehicle is damaged. You don't want to call us. A lot of customers, I have some customers that don't even want to drive their car because it has dents in it, as crazy as that sounds. So people care about their cars, and we care about the vehicles just as much as you do, as well as our customers. Once again, we're a family-owned business, and we treat you like family here. So come check us out, and let us give you a free evaluation and see what we can do for you. Thank you.